Over the past few months, Google has been releasing some insanely cool AI tools for free, and most people don't even know that these tools exist. Even if they do, they don't know how to use them properly. So today, I'm going to show you the top 3 free AI tools from Google, which you can use right now to create insanely good AI content, make AI films, or even create really good AI mini apps. So, without further ado, let's begin our video. The first app that we are going to talk about is called Opal Experiment. This is an experimental tool from Google where you can build really cool agentic workflows to create apps that will help you generate AI content. Now, you might think that these apps are really complex to create, but that is not true because you don't need to manually put these nodes and blocks together. You can just use this prompt box to ask the AI workflow builder to automatically generate your workflows. Here are some examples of apps that I built using Google Opal. The first app is the Story Weaver app. To create this app, I just gave the AI model, the app builder, a prompt asking it to build an application where the user provides an image or a text prompt. Then, the web app uses the Nano Banana Pro AI model from Google to create 8 different photos with a consistent style and character for our AI content or video. From that prompt, this is the web app the AI model created. After coming to the application, you just click on the Start button. Then the web app asks you to upload an image for the style reference. I'm just going to upload this image of an AI character that I created. Now I'm just going to send in the image, and the web app will ask me to describe the desired story or the images I want generated of this character. So I'm just going to write, generate a story of this character going to a coffee shop and buying coffee. Then I'm just going to run the prompt. The workflow is going to automatically start working to use different kinds of AI models to generate the story first and then generate the images using the Nano Banana Pro AI model. Now, these are the images that the web app has generated from our prompt. As you can see, the character seems to go to the coffee shop and buy coffee. The latter part is just a copy of the first 4 images. Right now, as you can see, the app is a bit buggy. The AI model has copied and pasted the same image 3 times. The story that the AI model generated, like the character going into the coffee shop, ordering the coffee, buying the coffee, and then drinking the coffee, is consistent. I don't know why the workflow put the 4 different images in the same box, but when I download it, I get 4 different images of the character buying and drinking the coffee. I can then just create videos from these 3 different images to create a consistent video. I am still working on this application to make it a little less buggy, so it doesn't just copy and paste the same images, but actually puts different images in different boxes. However, as of right now, it is enough to meet my standards for AI image generation and AI image to video. You can also use this experimental tool from Google to build similar apps to facilitate your AI filmmaking or content creation journey. Another web app that I built is Video Weaver, where the app uses the VO 3.1 AI model from Google to generate videos from the text prompt I give it. This web application also works really well. Therefore, you can create a similar application using Opal AI to create your AI videos for free. Now, let's move on to our second application, which is Google Whisk Experiment. This is another free application from Google focused on creating highly detailed and edited images. Let me just show you how it works. In this sidebar, there are 3 sections: the subject, the scene, and the style. Basically, we are going to use these 3 sections to create really good images for our AI content. For the subject, you can just upload an image of any character that you have. I'm going to upload this image of another AI Instagram model that I created. After you upload the subject, you can edit this image in any way that you want with consistent characters. You can put this character in a different scene by generating the scene or uploading an image. For this example, I am just going to generate a scene of a desert. Now, if I click on this Run button, the model should generate a picture of this character in the sand, in the desert. As you can see, the image editing was perfect. The character is indeed generated in the desert, and there is no visible distortion or inconsistency, which makes it a really good image. Now, you can even change the style of the character per se. I am just going to generate an anime style. So in the prompt box, I am going to type anime, and then the AI model is going to generate an image in the anime style. As you can see, this is the image that the AI model has generated. Now, I'm just going to run the prompt. The AI model should create this picture of the character standing in the desert, and the style of the image is going to be anime. As you can see, the image generation was successful, and the character is indeed in the anime style sitting in a desert environment. Even in the anime style, the character is quite consistent. Another thing you need to know is that you should always check whether the tick mark here is on or off. If it is off, then the style reference is not going to be taken into account. So make sure that the tick mark is always yellow and on. Now, the third, most important, and best free AI tool from Google is Google AI Studio. Here you can do a lot of things for completely free, like chat with the Gemini Pro AI model. Also, you can generate images with all these AI models, like Nano Banana and Imagine 4. The best thing that you can do with Google AI Studio right now is go into the Build section. Here you will be able to build any kind of web app using Gemini 3 Pro Preview and even add different API keys from Google easily. This tool is completely changing vibe coding as we know it. You can generate different kinds of web apps using various AI models from Google. You can use Nano Banana Pro to create mini apps related to AI image creation or editing, or you can use the VO 3.1 AI model to generate videos from your images. Just to show you an example, I am going to generate a mobile-first web app for phone wallpapers, and I am going to run the prompt. From that complex prompt, Gemini 3 was able to create a web application like this. I think the application looks really good. Basically, you type something here, and the AI model automatically generates a wallpaper from that specific prompt. But you do need to connect an API key for these web apps to work. Or, if you don't want to connect an API key, you can create simple games or websites which do not require an AI model like Gemini 3.0 to function. The best part is that you can deploy this app using Google Cloud. After you deploy it, you will have a website with your application that you can use to make a bit of money if you can get users. So this is more of a professional tool to create really good applications that you can use to build apps for free. Another thing that you can use in Google AI Studio for free is generating audio using the audio models from Google. In this section, you are going to write something like, "A dog is running," and then click on the run feature. Then the audio model is going to turn your text into speech.
A dog is running.
As you can see, the AI model has generated the voice from the text, and it is really good. So you can use this feature in Google AI Studio as a replacement for paid AI tools like 11 Labs.